Have you ever wondered if fitness trackers are actually making you healthier or if they are just another distraction? Are you in control of your own health or are you blindly following numbers on a screen? Imagine this in your mind. You're at the gym and lifting weights, but instead of focusing on your breathing, posture, and muscle engagement, you are scrolling down through social media. You're finishing the set, but you have no idea how your body feels. Sounds familiar? We live in the world where notification and screens dominate our attention. Dr. Andy Galpin, professor of kinesiology, warns that we are slowly losing touch with our body's natural signal: hunger, thirst, and fatigue, because we let apps and trackers tell us what to do. Now, don't get me wrong, technology is a great tool, but should support our decision, not dictate them. To make a balance between technology and body intuition, we can recommend 3 steps. Step number 1, build awareness. How? Before checking your app, ask yourself, how do I feel right now? Step number 2, use tech as a guide. Use fitness data to confirm, not replace your body's intuition. For example, you wake up feeling well rested and energetic, but your smartwatch say you only got 5 hours of sleep and label it's a poor sleep quality. In this case, there are two approaches. Wrong approach. You let the watch dictate how you feel. Assume you are tired and avoid your morning workout, even though your body feels fine. But the second approach and the right approach, instead of blindly trusting the data, you check in with yourself first. If you feel well rested, you proceed with your workout, and despite what tracker says. And the third step, test yourself without tech. Try a day without your fitness tracker. Can you still sense your thirst, hunger, and fatigue levels? Yes, I'm talking about digital detox. And finally, technology should be a coach, not a crutch.